Alright guys, I'm going to very quickly show you how to change an image to black and white. If you know how to use Photoshop, go for it. Otherwise, we're going to use Microsoft Word here. So I am hoping you have your image saved somewhere on your laptop or you've uploaded it to your laptop. I'm going to go to Insert, Picture. Mine's called Test. And let's all assume that this is a picture of you. You may need to resize it to the page, but hopefully not. Hopefully it's a nice big image like my one is here. So we want to change that to black and white. Drawing off that would be much harder than drawing off something that's black and white. So you'll notice when you click off an image, you get the normal tabs up here, the normal editing as if you were typing up a document, font, bold, size, etc. When you click on an image, it comes up with a new little menu up here called Picture Tools. Then if I click on Format, I get a whole heap of options here. What we're most concerned with is colour. So I'm going to click on colour. I'm going to click on saturation being 0, all black and white, as you can see from the little preview image. Now that's pretty great. It's a pretty grey image. We don't have much contrast. We don't have much lightness and much darkness there. So I'm going to see if we can put some in by going to the corrections tab up the top here. So now we've changed the colour to black and white, once again, just here. We're going to go into corrections. Now let's see if we can look at the brightness and contrast and make it a little bit more whites. Now you'll see if I roll over, you can actually preview these. So you can see that's quite grey. We don't want to go that harsh, that's too white. That one there is looking pretty good, I would say. That one there is looking pretty good. That's a bit too dark. I'm going to go with this one here. Okay, so you can see the original, and then you can see the new current. So that would be a better drawing to draw off than the original, and especially than the color version. So it's off this image that I would be doing my drawing. If you have a printer at home, I think even better, print it out so it can be sitting next to you as you're working.